Today's show is all about special effects.
Oh, hold on. Hello?
AJ. Yeah, it's AJ.
AJ?
No, future AJ. What?
All right.
Yeah, you're a little bit more handsome.
How are you?
Yeah, I know. But firstly,
Okay.
know that your bits are the best in this film. They
Yeah.
are.
Well, I'm not
much better than
surprised. Yeah, they normally are.
Second,
Yeah.
cut Pete short. He's
Cut him.
dragging it
Cut him
on.
short.
Dragging it on.
He's dragging
Just
on.
cut it. Also, before you go, mate.
Okay.
Tell Pete to remember
yeah.
the cup.
The cup. Okay, mate. Yeah, the cup. Right. All right.
Mate, speak to you later.
Cheers.
I can hear my voice.
That was me.
That was weird. I could hear me.
Yeah, it was me from the future. He said, "Cut Pete short. He drags it on too long. Don't forget your cup."
Well, what about me doing
Nah,
an intro?
camera magic.
I've got an intro.
Yeah, what is it?
Well, I want to talk about the
too
type.
long.
Number 2, floaty cam. It's an effect I really like for those vloggers out there like this who hold a selfie stick with a camera floating through the air and they need to get on and do the things that they've got to do, like put a coat on mid-shot.
That's better.
And then just pick the camera up from out of the air and carry on their way.
My turn. The third magic trick. My favourite magic trick.
I left my drink somewhere. I need my drink.
Well, it's probably in the other room, isn't it? Come on. We're still going.
There it is.
So at this point in the film, there's been a lot of information, so it probably makes a lot of sense for us just to pause, just to hold up. I'm not that far back. Pete, come back. Pete, over here. Come on. Every time, it's always
Just get
like
on
this.
with it.
It's always
Why is
like-
it taking so long?
Well, I was trying to do it, and you're always messing around, aren't you?
Are you done?
It's done now anyway, yeah,
Good.
done, fine.
Oh, hi. Possibly one of my favourite effects is the masking shot. I'm sure Pete will agree with me. The masking shot can be used to move from one place to another, and it's a trick of the edit. One of my favourites. Grab and go reviews. What's he up to now? This is not going how I planned. Huh? Oh no, no, AJ, stop it! Stop the tape! For goodness sake, AJ! Oh. This is getting ridiculous. I mean, the thing with this transition is you can literally use it to get anywhere. It's an effect that can take you all over the place. Oh, let's get out of here.
We're at the end.
Oh. What are you doing back there?
Are you waiting for me?
Yeah, I've been waiting here for ages.
I didn't realise. Sorry, mate. I was just doing the last one.
I'm not sure that was any good for anyone.
Well, the toilet bit. I mean, who would have thought that it would take you there? But that's the thing. It can take you anywhere.
The thing I am worried about though, that intro dragged on a little bit too long.
There's
You
not
don't
much
think?
you can do about that. Just edit it.
I've got a better idea.
Cut it,
I've got a
fine.
better idea. Hold on.
Hello?
AJ.
AJ.
Yeah, it's AJ.
All right.
No, future AJ.
What?
How are
Yeah.
you?
Yeah, you're a little bit more handsome. Just a little bit more than before, but I mean, you're already quite good.
Okay.
Yeah, I know. Well, firstly, know that your bits are the best in this film. They are much better than
Yeah.
Pete's.
Well, I'm not surprised.
Second, yeah, I know. It's shocking.
Am I there?
You're there. You're confused, apparently. Second,
Okay.
cut Pete short. He's dragging it on.
Come short.
Yeah, just cut it. Yeah, cut him there. Yeah, cut him.
He's dragging on. Okay.
Yeah. Also, before you go, mate, tell Pete to remember his cup.
The cup.
Yeah, he forgets it. It's really annoying. It takes ages to find. Walk for miles.
Okay, mate. Yeah, the
Yeah.
cup. Right.
All right, mate. Speak to you later.
Cheers.
Bye.
You got any other calls to make? Well, we're trying to end the vlog. I hope you enjoyed the show. I hope that it wasn't too long. Maybe past Pete managed to make it a little bit quicker for you.
Let's hope so, because the one I experienced dragged. It was boring.
Save you all some time and just end it here then. So thanks for watching, and
Don't subscribe. If you're the person that keeps disliking it, Pete, what do you say?
go f yourself.
Right, see you next time.